Hi everybody, welcome to our session on making maintenance a breeze. Today let's talk about something crucial for any organization: maintenance. It's the backbone of smooth operations. Proper maintenance keeps everything running smoothly, preventing unexpected breakdowns, and that's where CMMS comes in. It's a game changer for maintenance management. CMMS stands for Computerized Maintenance Management System. It's a powerful tool that revolutionizes how you handle maintenance. A CMMS helps you track assets efficiently. It's like having a super-powered tool for all things maintenance. You can monitor all your important equipment that keeps your business going. You know, all the critical machinery and tools that are essential for your operations. It also helps you plan maintenance tasks effectively. No more surprises or last-minute rushes. And guess what? It even helps you manage inventory seamlessly. With CMMS, you can say goodbye to messy spreadsheets and hello to efficiency. Everything is organized and at your fingertips. That means you'll always have the parts you need exactly when you need them. It's about working smarter, not harder. Streamlining processes to save time and resources, and that means more uptime, lower costs, and a happier, more productive team. Let's embrace the future of maintenance together. Now let's talk about getting your team on board with this fantastic tool. It's an exciting journey, and with the right approach, it can be a smooth transition. Change can be challenging, but trust me, it's worth it. Embracing new technology can lead to significant improvements in efficiency and productivity. The first step is to get everyone excited about the benefits of CMMS. Highlight how it can streamline processes, reduce downtime, and improve overall workflow. Show them how it will make their lives easier. Demonstrate real-life examples and success stories from other organizations. Next, you need to choose the right CMMS for your organization. Consider factors like ease of use, scalability, and customer support. Do your research, compare different options, and find the one that fits your needs. Involve key team members in the decision-making process to ensure buy-in. Once you've got your CMMS, it's time to prepare your team for training. Create a comprehensive training plan that covers all aspects of the software. Let them know what to expect and how it will benefit them. Provide hands-on training sessions and offer continuous support. Remember, clear communication is key. Answer their questions, address their concerns, encourage an open dialogue to make them feel involved. Make them feel comfortable with this new system. Reassure them that they will have the support they need to succeed. Let's make training day a success. Start with the basics. Introduce the CMMS interface. Show them how to navigate the system. Keep it simple and easy to understand. Hands-on experience is crucial. Let your team practice using the CMMS in a safe environment. Encourage them to ask questions and explore different features. Don't overwhelm them with too much information at once. Break down the training into smaller, manageable sessions. Focus on the most important features first. And remember, practice makes perfect. Transitioning to a new system takes time and effort, and it can be a complex process. That's why communication is so important throughout the process to ensure everyone is on the same page. Keep your team informed every step of the way, from the initial planning stages to the final implementation. Share updates, timelines, and any changes that may occur so there are no surprises. Encourage feedback from your team as their input is invaluable. Ask them what's working well and what could be improved to make the transition smoother. Listen to their suggestions and address their concerns promptly, showing that their opinions matter. Remember, we're all in this together, working towards a common goal. By fostering open communication, you create a supportive environment for learning and growth, which is essential. And that leads to a smoother, more successful CMMS implementation, benefiting everyone involved. Training is just the beginning. To truly master CMMS, your team needs ongoing support. Be there to answer their questions and provide guidance as they become familiar with the system. Offer refresher courses and advanced training opportunities. As your team becomes more comfortable, you can introduce more advanced features of the CMMS. Encourage them to become CMMS champions, and don't forget about feedback. Regularly check in with your team to see how they're doing. Ask for their input on how to improve the CMMS process. Remember, continuous improvement is key. Mastering CMMS is a journey, not a destination. By investing in your team's training and providing ongoing support, you're setting them up for success, and that means a more efficient, cost-effective, and productive organization. Want more insights and resources on CMMS? Visit our website at www.micromain.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Together, let's unlock the full potential of CMMS.